And welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to see reels history on Facebook. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open a Facebook application on your Android and iOS, and once the Facebook application is opened up, just tap on the three lines at the top right here, and then tap on the settings option here, which is located here. Just tap on this one, and then if you scroll down here, tap on your time on Facebook. Okay, so just tap on this one, and then tap here where it says see your time. So tap on this one, and now if you scroll down here, you can see activity log. So tap on see activity log and scroll down until you see this option group events and reels. Okay, so expand this option and tap on reels here, and then here you can see all of your reels history on Facebook. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.